Hi everyone, today I have the McCormick Garlic and Onion plus black pepper and sea salt seasoning. And just like it says, it really is an all-purpose seasoning. This is so easy to use because it's such a great blend. Kind of replaces just needing to use salt and garlic and onion and black pepper and sea salt individually, and you can just get so much more out of one or two shakes. We use this primarily on chicken and roasted veggies and potatoes, but you could also use it on plenty of other items. It's just such a simple but easy to use blend, and I feel like the flavors are really classic to where you can use it on such a wide variety of items. So this is the packaging. And then this is just a closer look as to what it looks like.